Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're shaving my head. Yes, shaving my head. Like very quickly before I get started, I know some people are probably gonna ask why I'm doing this. And this is something I actually wanted to do for so long. Even back when I was 16, I don't know if you guys, some of you guys had followed me that long, like 7 years ago. I had the half shave, Cassie. I thought it was just the poppinest thing ever. But I've always just wanted to go full Amber Rose. Recently, in like the past 6 months, I've been binge watching hair shaving videos like no other. I was like, let's just take it there. Let's just do it. And I was kind of going back and forth until the other day, in my recommended, I had a video of Simply Nessa, and it was of her shaving her head. And I was like, girl, this looks so good. I'm just gonna do it. So it just threw me over the edge. I'm just gonna do it. Let's go ahead and do it. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. I'm really so excited about this right now, you guys. Goodbye, sideburns. I actually like my sideburns, shockingly. And don't get me wrong, you guys. I loved the green hair. It's probably my favorite hair I've ever had. But if I don't do this now, I feel like I'll never do it. So hey guys, that is it. All my hair is gone. All of it. Bald head, scallywag. Oh, how do I feel right now? Let's get some of this hair off. I feel like an alien princess that came to this planet to serve looks. How am I gonna do my intros now? I don't have any hair to flip. Obviously, it's so different, but like I'm used to seeing my face every day, so it's like my face is still there. It's just the hair that's gone. There's nothing hiding me. So the pros to this are that my hair will never get stuck in my lip gloss when it's windy outside. I don't have to do my hair in the morning. My wigs are gonna just be so flat. and I ordered extra wigs, you guys, so maybe I'll do a video about that. I think I ordered 3 or 4, and I'm excited to see what looks we can do with this. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like when it grows out, all the different styles. I can change the color, I can bleach it, I can shave off my eyebrows. No, just kidding. I would never. That I would never. These are my lifeline here, now. And I realized that my neck is blue from when I touched up my green hair the other day. So I just want to say one thing though before I go, and that is, if there's something that you guys want to try or do or wear or be or anything, just know that there's at least one person out there that supports your choices. I know a lot of people are scared to branch out sometimes because you don't know how the people around you are going to react, but I think that if I can shave all my hair off, then you can wear blue lipstick or just something crazy that you've been wanting to do that you don't feel comfortable doing. And I'm sure I'm gonna get some looks, but as long as I feel comfortable, that's all that matters. So as long as you're not hurting anybody or hurting yourself, then I think that's the most important thing. And I just wanted to say that before I go, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!